Hello, my name is Patrick Schroeder, and I want to welcome you to Angular 2 with TypeScript Essential Training. This course presents Angular 2 from the ground up in a way that is clear, concise, and engaging. You will first be introduced to new concepts using PowerPoint slides, and then put those concepts to use as we build out our sample application. Each section will contain a quiz in order to cement your understanding. This is a beginner level course, and I will assume no prior experience with either Angular version 1 or TypeScript. By the end of this course, you will have a clear understanding of how to build your own Angular applications with many real-world features. You can expect this course to be kept up to date with any major changes made to Angular 2, as well as new content being added. So if you're ready to learn the fundamentals of building Angular 2 applications with me, then don't wait any longer, sign up now, and let's get to coding.